According to newly surfaced leak information and early retail-style listings circulating within the drone and camera community, the highly anticipated DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most disruptive aerial imaging products DJI has ever prepared, with suggested pricing that could dramatically lower the barrier to entry for true 360-degree aerial videography, as the base standalone drone is rumored to start at around 2,988 yuan, which roughly converts to about $426 USD, positioning it as an unusually affordable option in a market where high-quality 360 drone footage has traditionally required either extremely expensive professional rigs or complicated custom-built DIY solutions that are out of reach for casual creators, enthusiasts, and even many semi-professional users. This aggressive pricing strategy appears to follow DJI's familiar tiered ecosystem approach, with a mid-level bundle that includes the RC2 controller potentially landing near the $569 range, while more comprehensive packages such as a Fly More combo or an ultimate kit that adds FPV goggles, motion controllers, additional batteries, and accessories could climb to approximately $812. And even when factoring in regional price adjustments, import taxes, and shipping costs that often inflate global launch prices, a sub-$500 entry-level 360 drone from DJI would instantly put immense competitive pressure on brands like Insta360 and other emerging immersive camera manufacturers, especially those attempting to bridge the gap between action cameras and aerial platforms. Beyond pricing, the leaked specifications are equally compelling, as reports suggest the DJI Avata 360 will feature a large 1-inch image sensor capable of capturing 6K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second, a specification that alone would have been unthinkable at this price point just a few years ago, delivering improved low-light performance, higher dynamic range, cleaner shadow detail, and more flexibility for reframing, post-production stabilization, and cinematic storytelling, although it's worth noting that some longtime industry insiders have pointed out inconsistencies between these newer leaks and earlier reports from late 2025, which referenced a more advanced dual 1/1.1-inch sensor configuration capable of full 8K 360-degree video capture, leading to widespread speculation that DJI may be planning a multi-tier product lineup with a standard Avata 360 aimed at hobbyists, travel creators, vloggers, and social media filmmakers, alongside a higher-end, Pro variant designed for VR filmmakers, commercial production houses, real estate marketing, tourism boards, and immersive content studios that demand maximum resolution and future-proof deliverables. Safety and intelligent flight features also appear to be a major focus this time, as the DJI Avata 360 is expected to introduce full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a first for the Avata series and a particularly critical upgrade for 360 drones, where pilots often concentrate on creative framing and movement rather than maintaining constant visual awareness of the aircraft's surroundings. And when combined with DJI's latest stabilization technologies such as Rocksteady 4.0 and Horizon Steady, the platform promises exceptionally smooth, level, and immersive footage even during aggressive FPV-style maneuvers, fast yaw rotations, tight indoor fly-throughs, or complex cinematic reveals, making it far more forgiving for less experienced pilots while still offering the creative freedom that advanced users crave. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could fundamentally reshape the aerial imaging landscape by delivering a compact Cinewoop-style drone capable of capturing fully stitched, high-resolution 360-degree video for well under $1,000 in a complete kit, opening the door for widespread adoption across industries such as real estate walkthroughs, travel documentaries, outdoor adventure content, automotive showcases, virtual tourism, YouTube vlogging, social media shorts, and even action sports coverage where immersive perspectives are increasingly in demand, and with rumors pointing toward an official announcement or launch window in early 2026, strategically timed ahead of the spring travel season. DJI appears poised to once again redefine expectations, blur the line between consumer and professional tools, and set a new benchmark for what creators can achieve with a portable, intelligent, and relatively affordable 360-degree FPV drone ecosystem.